Welcome to Origami Hadi. Today we are going to make an origami cat face. First, make a 3x3 square grid on your paper. Then carefully follow the following steps in the video. Now we make the ears. Now we make the eyes. And our cat face is finished. No need to draw the eyes. They are made by default themselves. Thank you for watching. And please buy our books on Amazon.